Yes, good morning everyone. Today any special day? Abate. If I'm asking any Python question, then pin drop silence, no answer. Only Sir, actually, yesterday last topic was how to define Django kada 1 minute. Chasta. Sir, first we have to create the project. Next, to create an application. Add application in settings.py. View function. Define the URL. Start the server and send the request. This is the same process we have to follow from the day one onwards up to here. Yesterday we had a discussion about Django application to send request server time as a response. Single application with multiple views. ఇది నిన్నటిది కాదనుకుంటే గుడ్ మార్నింగ్, గుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్నూన్, గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్, డే బిఫోర్ ఎస్టర్డే అనుకుంటుంది. This is the yesterday's class. Sir, single project with multiple applications, how we need to create it, process everything same only, but at the time of URLs, only thing is import statements only. Because if you're not using as V1, V2, the second view will be overriding the first view. That's why I can provide it as a aliasing names I can provide it. That second alternative way is directly first app view import direct function I am calling. Second one is defining URL patterns at application level instead of project level. The reason is, sir, as I am telling now today one more small application I will explain with that. A Django project can contain multiple applications. For every application, different functionalities are there. Suppose each and every application, 100 functionalities are there, but we have to define URLs at a project level. So whenever I'm using this application into another project, again, we have to specify URLs separately. So no such type of reusability is available there. SD created one base project, created an application, 3 views are there. I'm created one separate file urls.py. This urls.py is available where? Under application, not project. I have to declare first, second, third URLs. But whenever I'm sending request, my Django server will always looking for project level URLs only, not application level URLs. So this is the SDM given Django request flow. Whenever end user forwarding request, it will goes to URLs. It is the project level. But present my URLs is available application level. What to do? These application level URLs, I have to add it to project level by using the include function. So here include your app name, URLs file. This is the project level URL. So at the time of send the request, this is the address, project level URL, next to application level. First it will goes to project level. Yes, available there. It is including test app. Okay, it will goes to our test app. First, second, third. URLs are available there. It is executed. SD, some people are asking what is meant for dot. Dot is meant for current package directory because this urls.py that views both are available into the test app only. Sir, within the test app, my views are available, URLs are available there. That's why simple I can provided dot. Sir, what is the main advantage of this approach mean? Any advantages are there? Tell pattern yet application level instead of project level. Yeah, what is the advantage? Main thing is code reusability. Just now I will give one more application. Just I have to copy that application, paste into the another project. I have to define. The first major advantage is it promotes reusability, sir, of Django applications across multiple projects. Tomorrow, any project you can reuse the same application. That is the first one. Second one, the project level urls.py will be clean and more readable. Because see, atom. Okay. Sir, if anyone having installation or project, any doubts are there after class, you have to wait, come with your laptops. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. Saturday completely 1 hour I will take the class. After that, completely doubt session. Everyone having any doubts at their installation or application starting, you have to clarify all the doubts. Come with your laptops. I will clarify your all doubts. So now I will create one more project. In this project, what I was doing is first I created one project. The project name is assume app level URLs project. Inside compulsory one application is there. Inside one application can be declared. My application always I'm given a test app. Inside test app, you have to mention what we have to mention. We use okay fine. Don't do anything here. Here no URLs, nothings. Ante app level itself only, inside itself only, you have to create urls.py file also. Now both URLs views available within the test app or project level? App level only. Okay. Next I have to created one more project. This project is Sunny project. Sunny needs my application. Then simply what I was doing, I don't want to create. If any folder is there, simple right click, copy and paste it, simple. Automatically your test app, views, URLs, everything is available there. URL is there, views is everything. But aithe Sunny project contains separate file is there. What is the file? URLs file. These URLs you can configure into this one by using include function. Simple 1 or 2 steps, your project will be completed. That is the concept now. Okay. So first I have to create one project, sir. Go to the command prompt, right click. Sir, here, go to the D drive. Sir, what is our project folder name? 10th February, 11 a.m. Sir, whenever you want to create any project, go to the current current working directory. Inside you have to create. So many people, what they are doing now, they are going to the project, some intelligent student, they are going to the first project. Inside first project, they have to create a Django-admin, like that project will be created there. Inka some intelligent people, in the first project, they created make dir again Django underscore 10th February. Like that, they are creating folders. The intelligent student didn't came to the class. Okay. So like that, don't create like this. this. So in this folder, all projects are there. Check this outside this PC, a D drive. Only one project, one time you have to create. Internally, you have to create all projects. So first project, date, time, base, one project, multiple, second project, Sunny jobs available there. So your current working directory is always whatever your folder, not only this one, what you created. Maybe Django projects, my projects, what is what is the meaning of CD? So now I have to create project. So Django -admin. What is the command? Start project. The project name is app level URLs project. Now go to there, created app level URLs. Today 14 to 2024, 11/29 created there. Go to that one app level. Inside I have to create one application. How to create py, manage.py, start app, test app. Created. 3 steps are common. Take these 3. Ice is breaking. Yeah, मेरा सन्नी. So next one. Sir, can I add application in settings.py? Anyone? Can I add this application, this test app into settings.py? Is it mandatory, not required? Mandatory? Pakka. For this project, not required. Because I am not running in this project. This application I am using to another project. Just it is reusability purpose I am creating. If you run here, definitely you can add. But what is my concept? I'm using this test app into Sunny project. So in Sunny project, you can add compulsory here, not mandatory. If you run here, compulsory you can add. Here, I'm not creating URL, I'm not starting server, I'm not running application. So it is not mandatory. Only in this project. వాయిస్ ఈస్ బ్రేకింగ్. నెట్ రావట్లేదేంటి? వాయిస్ నాట్ కమింగ్. లాస్ట్ గైస్, ఆర్ యూ ఆన్లైన్? రావట్లా అంటే ఆన్లైన్లో ఉన్నారు. వాయిస్ ఈస్ బ్రేకింగ్. వాయిస్ ఈస్ బ్రేకింగ్. నవ్ ఆల్సో నాట్ కమింగ్. ఏం చేయాలి? ఇట్స్ క్లియర్ అంట కదా. ఆన్లైన్ వాళ్ళకి క్లియర్, ఆఫ్లైన్ వాళ్ళకి నాట్ క్లియర్. ఎస్, వస్తుంది. క్లియర్ క్లియర్ క్లియర్. సర్లేండి, ఇట్ ఈస్ క్లియర్ కానీ సార్ నవ్ ఈ నాట్ క్లియర్ అంతా ఆఫ్లైన్ పీపుల్. సార్ సార్ నవ్ అబ్జర్వ్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ. సార్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ క్రియేటెడ్, go to the corresponding project, go to the application. Now implement views.py, sir. Create the function. For that function, create URL set application level, not project level. Okay. Go to the atom first. Atom or pie chart, anything your wish. Now close the previous project. Sir, what is our project? App level. Expand. Go to test app. Settings not required in this case. Views. Inside first one, def exams view. First argument is request. Request. I want to return the response. What is the response I want to provide? From, sir, 1 minute here, Django. Sir, you don't type manually. Here some people are typing manually. By mistakenly, they are given capital small letters. Django is a built-in library or my library? Built-in. Django, all are small letters are there. So whatever available, those are I'm using dot HTTP. All are small letters are there. So it is one predefined module available to the Django library. So you don't type anything. Typing mistakes will come. Just select it. Import. HTTP response. You have to observe H should be capital, R should be capital. Instead of selecting, if you are typing, maybe you are given all small letters or maybe only H capital. Problems will come. That's why select that class. Once I'm selected that class, okay, create object to this class, sir. How to create object? Parenthesis. Object dot created. Internally, you can pass one string. That H1 tag you can provide. Inside, it is which view? Exams view. Okay. Take one more 3 views. Same, 2, 3. Second one. What is this second one? Attendance view. Third one, fees. 3 are there. Okay. Create the 3 views. Take this one. Actually, in test app, URLs is not available. So what to do? Create a file, not folder. urls.py under test app folder. Download, define the URLs. Add app in settings. In this case, not required. Okay. Because here I'm not executing anything. If you executing here, then compulsory I can add this application. I can reuse into the another project. In this, I want to add Anthony. Screen not visible. Audio not coming. All clear. Everything is okay now. Full stack Python students. Completed. In the drive, I will upload all the demo links. 1 minute. He is given the demo links today. So in the Google Drive, I upload the all demo links. These are all the 6 days demos links. In the drive, I will upload. So now see, views are ready. In the testy app, views file is there. Yesterday, someone is asking, sir, how you got the views urls.py in testy app? How I am getting? Right click on this folder, new file, give the file name. What is the file name? urls.py. This is the one empty file. This one first statement, what it is. If I want to add the URL, path is there, but that is available in from Django, Django dot URLs import, yeah, path. Next, U or else URL patterns, URL patterns. List of values I can provide it. First one path. Inside three are there. First one exams, comma, views dot exams view. But this exams view is not available there. Okay. Now where it is available? From dot meant for current working directory. Import. What can I import to? Views. Same you have to declare. Second one is attendance. Attendance view. Third one, sir, fees. Done. This is the app level. So you have to, sorry, create one empty file in the test app, define your URLs. Okay. Sir, yesterday, day before yesterday, I asked some 3 questions. Anyone identified who are attending only Django classes? STR, REPR, listed AR, walk method. Got one more question. Shallow cloning and deep cloning. Identified anyone? How to create empty file and in the Google Drive today, I will upload that PDF material, core and advanced material. In that, whatever I'm asking questions, all are available there. Just go through that one. REPR used for debugging purpose. I'm asking REPR method. Sir, now completed. Sir, shown now. I created one project, app level URLs. Inside test app I created in the views.py, first view, second view, third view. I created a separate file urls.py under a test app folder. All the URLs are there. Forget about this project. One project is ready. Inside one application is ready. Inside views as well as URLs. This one is views. This one is URLs. This is your application. This is your project. Now up to here clear everyone? Done. This application I want to use into the some another project. So I have to create some another project, new project. In this project, I want to use this application. For that, what I was doing is now create one more project. Come to the back cd dot Django hyphen admin start project. Project name is Sunny project. Project got created. Don't create application because if you're creating application, no use. That application I want to use into in this one. So next one. After this continuation, create another project. Create another project. How to create? This is the way. Here, don't create application. Simple. You can copy that test app from app level URLs project and paste it in current project. Then include app level URLs in project level URLs. That is the final things you have to do. You want to create application, you don't need to write views and all these things. Create another project, copy that application, sir, paste here, just include that URLs. బాబు అయ్యా ఏమైంది? क्या हो गया? ये तो कुछ कुछ होता है वहाँ. हाँ. Yeah, this is the problem of the course effect. What is the course name? This one. Django means jungle. That's why same is happening here also. Everyone completed engineering, BTech or MCA something. Completed? No? Final year? Second year? BTech. First year, second year. Sir, finally, check this. Sir, now come to the observe finally here. I am not creating any application. Check this. This is the app level URLs. Now, what is our project? Sunny project, sir. Okay. Here, any application is there? No. So, your application level URLs, one app is there. What is the app? Test app. Whenever copy this, automatically your URLs, views, everything is available there. So, now how copy this one? Right click, copy. Simply you can come to the Sunny main project. What to do? Paste it. Then automatically idigondi open test app, views is available directly. Yes, URLs is available, but these are all application level. I have to add this one to the project level. Now up to now I'm telling now copy paste. Wait 5 to 10 minutes. Definitely some student is asking, sir, how you are getting test app in Sunny project? How you copy pasted? Wait just 5 minutes, we'll get the question now. Okay. Now, sir, once I added Sunny project, compulsory here you can go to settings, mandatory, because here I'm running the application. Django don't know about this. As even they were not by using py-manage.py, copy pasted. Django don't know about your application. That's you can add what it is, test app. Fine. అయితే in project level URLs, nothing, only admin is there. So what to do? You have to add. Yesterday I'm telling how to add application level URLs into the project level. There is one function is there. What is the function? Include predefined function path inside. Any name you can provide. What is the application? Test app. Yeah. What is the function? Include. Inside what can I give? What is the application name? Test app. What is your file name? URLs. Done. Okay. Now go to the Sunny project. cd dot dot cd Sunny project py manage.py run servers are. Wow. Syntax error. ఎక్కడో కామాస్ పోయినాయి ఎక్కడ యాప్ లెవెలా ఓహో now server is started. So if you want to send the address, first you have to give the system IP address. After what is the project level URL? Test app. After that, what is our URL? Exams. Next one, attendance. Next, fees. So whenever I'm sending request, server IP address, okay, test app, it will goes to the project level URL first, always. This one, test app is there. It is including test app URLs. Go to here, exams, corresponding view will be executed. The response will be written to the file. Send the request. Exams view, second one, attendance view, third one, fees view. First one, second one, third one. So in the new project, Chundi, am I did anything here? Project created, copy this. After that, we have to go project level urls.py file. Just I added URLs, my job completed. It's very simple or not? That's why you have to define URLs in application level. So only simple step we completed my total project. So before adding compulsory add test app in settings.py. Define URL, start the server, send the request. So that's why it is a very simple and easiest process. So now the second chapter was completed. Totally, how many topics are 14? Starting, I'm given a content, Django syllabus. How many topics are there? 14. Third one is Django templates and static files. Adi story. Completed up to here. Now next one is Django templates. Sir, up to now, whatever applications we created, okay, he is the end user. He is forwarded one request to the application. This is my project. Inside the project, one application I created. Inside this, there is one view is there. This is the app. This is the project. Once I am forwarding any request, end user will send a request to the project. So who is receiving this request? URLs. From there it is sending to the views. Ante finally ultimately view will receiving the request. That's why every time in the view function I'm writing an argument, request argument. After that it is performing some functionality. Now view is responsible to return what we have to return a response. Up to now simple words. I am getting a request from the end user. My view is responsible sending the response to the end user. This is happening there. So enter in this Django or whatever is there. First hero is views only. Because complete responsibility view only. If view is not working properly, we are not getting response. View is sending the response. That is the view. But here problem is, see this code in the views.py. Somewhere else I am using. In this view, you have to consider. This is the code what I am written in the previous class. Yeah. So this code is it completely Python code? No. The Python code can be mixed with HTML code. For example, I am the Python developer. I don't have any knowledge on this HTML. I have expert in the Python. Any logic I can write in the Python function, class, anything I will write. But I don't know this what is H1, H2. Up to now I am using just H1 tag only. Suppose one person is asking, sir, can you display? There are 10 employees are there. Those details in the form of the table. Like employee number, employee name, salary, address. Those details you have to display in the form of table. I don't know table tag. Someone is asking, sir, can you please insert some image? Image tag. I don't know that image tag. Because I know Python very well. Python developer I am working. UI I don't know. Some person he is expert in the UI technologies. He know very well HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Whenever client is asking, immediately he is doing. Oh, so he can do anything. He can place image, scroll the image, provide some heading, provide button. Everything is doing immediately. So that is the reason what I was doing is, as a Python developer, I have to concentrate on only Python code. As a UI designer, he can concentrate on only UI part. Now I can divide it two roles. This in the Django, the second hero is who is that person? Template. So I am the person developer view. Now immediately I'm asking this person, hey boss, there are some pages are required. Can you please create it? Please send this response. Complete code I'm written, but I will send request to template. Now this time, this template will be send a response to the end user. So I can separate code. .py means you are write only Python code. Why are you writing this HTML, CSS, JavaScript code? Don't write it. Highly, it is not recommended. Because as a Python developer role, you have to write only Python code only. UI designer will take, he will create all templates. How it will be displayed? You can write that code. Here I have to render not HTTP response. I will render one template file. So now I want to introduce template. Already starting we discussed. Django will be supported MVT architecture. M meant for model, V meant for T meant for template. So view is the first part, completed basic idea and upcoming so many functionalities will come. Next basic idea purpose. Second hero came into the picture, that person is template. So first always request coming to URLs, URLs to view. Now I'm redirected my response to template. Template will be displayed to the end user. Such a type of concept is called as Django templates concept. Now, sir, make heading Django templates. It is not recommended to write HTML code inside Python script. That is views.py file. It is not recommended to write HTML code inside Python script. That script is .py file because the first one, it reduces readability because Python code mixed with HTML code. Your internet connection is unstable. Second one, no separation of the roles. Python developers has to concentrate on both Python code and as well as HTML code. But being a Python developer, I don't have any HTML. Third one, it does not promote reusability of the code. Suppose same HTML code multiple times are required. In Python file, you have to write again and again. Instead of that, if I created separate .html file, whenever I can use, I can reuse that HTML page. we can overcome these problems by separating HTML code into a separate HTML file. Nothing but template. You have to separate all HTML code. That HTML file is nothing but a one template. From Python file views.py, we can use these templates based on our requirement. From the So now can I write these templates at project level or application level? Project level or application level? Application level. If I given one template to application level, then that is applicable to only that application. And if I given project level, multiple application if I want to use, then we can use it. That's why we have to define templates at project level. We have to write templates at project level only. Because we can use these templates in multiple applications tomorrow. Sir, completed. Sir, now to handle these templates, you can require some Python knowledge is required, but you are all experts in this Python area. Sir, in Python, there is one variable is there, underscore, underscore, file, underscore, underscore. What it will displace? Underscore, underscore, file, underscore, underscore. As first of all, what it is? A magic variable. There are so many magic variables are there. In our regular class, I explained underscore name. Underscore name underscore. What it contains? Name. Which name? Nee name, na name. Sunny. The name variable contains which one? What name? Anyone knows about this one name variable? Okay, in our regular class, I explained who are attending Django classes because it is one special variable. Interview room, they are asking what underscore name contains. What it contains? So, alage there are underscore dict, underscore annotations. So, these are all the magic variables. Every magic variable, some internal purpose is there. It contains some values. Actually, where we are getting these magic variables, I explained some example that constructor. So I have to open one Python file, check this. A variable which is before two underscores, after two underscores are there, those are called as magic variables. For example, I have one variable is there. Okay. Now, class test. One variable is there, one function is there. Def add a comma b. Now, print a plus b. Sir, in this class, how many variables are there? How many functions are there? One variable, one function is there. I want to display this information. How to display this information? One minute. I'm not calling function and all these things. I'm not creating anything, just observe. One variable I can declare def f1 pass test.py is a one module, one variable, one function is there. So I want to display in the current module how many functions, how many variables are there. What is the function? In the current module, how many variables, how many functions are there I want to display. There is one function is there. What is the function? dir. Okay. Now, observe this. Stop the server. py test.py. Just now I'm asking now. Here one variable is there. What is the variable? What is the function? Along with this, some magic variable. Just now I'm asking for you. These are all magic variables in Python. And the internal usage purpose, these variables are there. Underscore annotations, built-ins, catchy, doc, file, loader, name, package, spec. These are all the variables. So entry point of main question is what it will contains internally. That is the main thing. Now I am asking, what is the variable I am asking? Underscore file, what it is. So that's why I'm telling this Python small program, observe carefully here, okay? Then if it is understand this, handling templates is very simple. So first I'm asking about underscore file, a magic variable, what it contains. Come to here. Print, if you don't anything, just you have to print that variable. The variable which can contains, it will be displayed. Clear the screen, run the program. So what it is displaying? Test.py. What is the test.py? File name. So underscore file underscore will be displayed. What it will be displayed? The name of the file. Okay, fine. So this variable will be displayed. It returns name of the file. Don't write. There are so many modifications are there. Wait. So file name is there. Do you know in the Python there is one module is there? The module name is from path lib is the module. Import path is the class. Sir, what is the module name? What it is doing? What is the class? Path. Suppose this is the class. Inside I'm passing underscore file. Now I want to display f path. What it will be displayed? Print f path I am displaying. So within this class, I'm passing this object. Underscore file will be given test.py file, Python file only. What is type of this f path? What it will return? Sir, file path means suppose assume I'm using Windows. He is using Mac. You are using Linux. Every system, the file path are same. No, Linux architecture is different. Windows architecture kabatti D colon Mahesh class test.py. Mac architecture is different. Linux architecture is different. So the path class will be defined. Which path it is Windows, Linux, Mac, which one you are using, it will be displayed. Which path it is a Windows path. So path lib is a one module. This is one class. Inside class I am passing our file. It will be displayed our path. So here in this case, the output is this one. So I'm using Windows. If anybody using Linux, you can execute that command. Your path will be displayed. If anyone is Mac, you can use that command. It does not display Windows path. You are displayed based on that operating system. Whatever path is there, it will be displayed. Now, this is the path. F path dot. There is one function is there. What is the function? Resolve. What is the meaning of resolve means? My test.py is available where? In the D drive, Mahesh classes, inside test.py is available there. For example, this test.py is available desktop. Desktop means it will give some lengthy path. C user system 32 something. That complete path will be displayed because of this function. Which function? A resolve function. Now I'm getting the complete path. Complete path. Print that. Print this complete path. So first of all, underscore file will be displayed test.py file name. This path will be displayed which type of path? Windows, Linux, MacBook. If a path resolve is the function, it will be displayed complete path. Now run the program. My program is available D Mahesh classes test.py. Okay, done. Naite. Sir, instead of complete path, this complete path means what it is? This one or not? Yes. What is F path? This one. చూడండి జాగ్రత్తగా. If complete path is nothing but this variable is pointing to this one. What is F path? Path underscore file. Okay, fine. Now, asal directly can I use that one? Path underscore file. I am given. And I am not using complete path. Dot resolve. Now I want to print. What it will print? Am I getting complete path or not? Ante previously observe I am reading this, storing into variable. Instead, I am applying resolve, printing that. Instead of that, I am using this one. Sir, if I want to go to command prompt, present D, Mahesh classes is there. I want to one step back. What to do? CD dot dot. It will goes to one step back. No, I want to change directory. Then I can go with like this. Same. Once I go to path file resolve, it is pointing to D Mahesh classes test.py. Asal this test.py, what is the parent directory? These two are the parent directory. For that, dot parent is the variable. Then what it will be displayed? Current file, complete path. I'm getting the path. For that, who is the parent? D Mahesh classes is the parent. Py test.py. ఇదిగోండి what is the parent for test.py? Mahesh class. Mahesh class is who is the parent? D. So now what I was using again here? Can I use again same thing? Can I go with again dot parent? Then what it will be displayed again? Only D. Ante first one thing is this one. This is getting complete path of current file. What is your current file? What is the file? Test. Ante wherever you are running that command, that file total path will be displayed. That path is D Mahesh classes test.py. Once I'm using parent, this is the current file. For this parent is this one. For this parent is D drive. So here one function is there. Resolve is the function. After that variable is what it is. Parent is the variable. So you have to define this one. Sir, pathlib is a module name. Path is the class name. Pathlib module provides various classes representing file system paths based on different operating system. So the main advantage of this approach is I don't want to specify hard-coded values. In your system, one file, wherever is available, I can identify by using this command. Maybe in test.py in your machine, if it is available desktop, in my machine, D Mahesh class is available. I want to identify system path, then I can go to the path underscore underscore file. Resolve function is there. The main advantage of this approach is we are not required to system specific path, nothing but location in Python script. Because in your machine, your files are different places. My machine, my files are different places. So instead of hard coding values, we are using this type of approach. View meant for business logic. Sir, template meant for presentation logic, and we can call it as a front end also. So there are two architectures are there. One is MVC design pattern. MVC lo M meant for model. Model means business logic we have to write. View meant for their technology is the different completely. Presentation logic. C meant for controller. It is providing coordination. That is MVC pattern. Our pattern is MVT. Completed this program. Whereas the last guys, anyone listening the class? Seriously? No? M meant for model. Business logic. Template. అది స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ టు ద టెంప్లేట్స్. ఇదేంటి మళ్ళీ వచ్చింది ఇది? Exactly, that is .NET people, they know about, they have to provide coordination between the components. That is nothing but maybe controller. I don't have idea about this MEC design architecture, but in .NET there is one component is there, that is MVC. Sir, who are attending only Django class, I will give a small question for you. You can trace it, tell the answer tomorrow. Okay. A small question only, because who are attending Python classes, they know answer. Sir, I have a list of elements are there. 0, 1, 2, 3. I am taken one for loop for f minus 1 in A. Print f minus 1. Only who came to Django classes, you can trace this, tell the answer. This question is for only Django students who came particular for Django, not my regular students, because I already explained this question to my regular students. That's why they're telling answers. What is the output for this? 0. So in the Google Classroom, I will give this one, trace out the answer. A equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. For A of minus 1 in A, print A of minus 1. What is the output? Anyone guess it? Sir, you have to trace it, okay? Sir, bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue the session.